Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome back to Computer Gateway channel for the subject of ICT for BSCS students. Today we are discussing the topic of computer-based information system. Before I start to explain computer-based information system, you must know some terms related to computer-based information system. The first is system. A system is a set of interconnected components that work together to achieve a common goal or objective. We all interact with many systems during daily activities, such as examination system is used to determine the overall performance of each student. A billing system can be used by an organization to send invoices and receive payment from customers. A payroll system is used to manage employee salaries. Systems can be physical system, biological system, social system, economic system, or information system. Systems are everywhere from the smallest organisms to largest organizations. It combines hardware, software, data, and people to support operations, management, and decision making within an organization. Examples of systems include the human body comprises of a complex system of organs and cells working together to sustain life. The solar system is a set of planets, moons, and other celestial bodies orbiting the sun. An ecosystem consists of living organisms and their physical environment interacting as a whole. A transportation system consists of network of roads, vehicles, and traffic signals facilitating movement. A computer system is a collection of hardware and software components working together to process. Elements of system. The elements of system are the components that make up the system and work together to achieve its objectives. A system has three basic interacting components or functions. The first is input, then processing, and the output. Input: the data, information, or materials that enter the system from the environment is called input, or we can say input involves the gathering and capturing of raw data. Processing. Processing converts the raw data into useful outputs, or the transformation of input into output, which involves changing, converting, or modifying the input, is called processing. Output: the result or product of the processing activity, which is sent to the environment or to the another system, is called output. This diagram shows that the input is converted into output after processing in the system. The environment is the surrounding within which an organization operates. Students, you can think it like a boundary or border that defines the scope of the system. The other two factors, feedback and control, also plays important role in the system. The feedback is the information or the data that is returned to the system from the environment or from the output, which helps to evaluate and improve the system's performance. While control is the mechanism or procedure that regulate and guide the system's operation, ensuring that it achieves its objectives. These elements work together to form a system that achieves its objectives and meets the needs of its users. The second term is information system. Information system. An information system is a set of interconnected components that collect, process, store, and distribute information. The information is used to support decision-making operations and management within an organization. An information system is a collection of hardware, software, and network. The purpose of an information system is to turn raw data into useful information that can be used for decision making. Information systems and technologies are vital components of successful businesses and organizations. Business firms and other organizations rely on information systems to carry out and manage their operations, interact with their customers and suppliers, and compete in the marketplace. The key components of information system are hardware. Hardware are the physical devices that make up the system, such as computers, server, and storage devices. Software. Software are the programs and applications that run on the hardware, such as operating systems, databases, and applications. Data. The raw facts and figures that are processed by the system is called data. Another component is people. The individuals who use and interact with the system, such as users, administrators, and developers. Then processes, the rules and procedures that govern how the system is used. And the last one is network, the communication channels that connect the different components of the system. This diagram shows the component of information system such as hardware, processes, people, data, network communications, and software, which I have discussed earlier. The information system is very important and can improve decision making, enhance organizational performance, and help to increase firm profitability. Computer-based information system. It is an information system in which the computer plays a major role, and this system relies on computer technology to perform its functions. A computer-based information system is a system that uses computer technology to collect, process, store, and distribute information to support decision making and other organizational functions. The elements of computer-based information system are hardware. Hardware is a term which refers to the computer itself, which is often referred to as the central processing unit and all of its supporting equipments. The supporting equipments include input and output devices, storage devices, and communication devices. Software. Software are the programs and applications that instruct the hardware on what to do, such as operating system, database management system, and specialized applications. Data. Data are the raw facts, figures, and information that the system collects and processes. This is often stored in databases. Procedures. Procedures are the documented steps and guidelines that dictate how the system is used and maintained. And the last element is people. People are the individuals who interact with the system, including users, managers, and IT professionals. Every computer-based information system needs people if it is to be useful. The components that most influence the success or failure of computer-based information system is the people. Another important element is telecommunication. Telecommunication is described as the electronic transmission of signals for communications. The signals are of data, voice, or messages, while communication is described as the transmission of messages between two parties. We can use electronic medium to this activity. For example, using a telephone, we can communicate with someone far away. Or you can say telecommunication refers to the transmission of information over a distance using electronic means. This information can take many forms such as voice, data, text, or images. Telecommunication relies on various technologies and infrastructures such as cables, radio waves, or other electromagnetic signals. Telecommunications enable organizations to connect with their branches, customers, and other parties to set up advanced business environment. These all components work together to support the operations and decision-making processes of any organization. I will further continue this topic in the next part of this video. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe Computer Gateway channel. Thank you.